Court orders demolition of illegal mosque building floors. A court under the Municipal Commissioner has ordered the demolition of two illegal upper floors of the Sanjauli Mosque in Himachal Pradesh. The decision came after the Himachal Pradesh Waqf Board and Sanjauli Mosque Committee failed to produce proper revenue documents for the mosque during a hearing. The court found that the additional floors were constructed without required approval. Authorities have now directed both the board and committee to carry out the demolition as soon as possible. The ruling follows growing concerns over unregulated religious and public structures in the religion.